Did you know that the International Space Station, or ISS, is the single most expensive item ever built by humans, costing a whopping $150 billion? Yes, you heard that right. This incredible feat of human engineering orbits Earth every 90 minutes and serves as an unparalleled hub for scientific research. Within its walls, hundreds of experiments are conducted every year, each one contributing to a vast pool of knowledge that is reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. From studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to developing advanced water purification systems, the ISS is a beacon of innovation and discovery. The findings from these experiments have significantly advanced our understanding of space and technology, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an exciting journey. Let's dive into the top 5 most significant scientific findings from the ISS and their impact on space research and technology. One of the most significant findings from the ISS is the understanding of bone and muscle loss in space. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station conducted various experiments, revealing that prolonged space travel can lead to a decrease in bone density and muscle mass. This happens due to the lack of gravity, which our bodies are accustomed to on Earth. Now, this might sound a bit alarming, but don't worry. This discovery has been pivotal in developing countermeasures to prevent these adverse effects. Not only that, but it has also given us valuable insights into conditions like osteoporosis, a disease causing decreased bone strength and an increased risk of broken bones. By studying these changes in the astronauts' bodies, scientists have been able to devise better treatments for osteoporosis patients on Earth. So, in a way, the astronaut sacrifice has led to a better understanding of our own bodies and how to keep them healthy. This discovery is a clear example of how research conducted in space can directly benefit us here on Earth. Another critical discovery from the International Space Station is the impact of microgravity on the human body. Astronauts living aboard the ISS have provided invaluable data on the physiological changes that occur in space. Prolonged exposure to a weightless environment can lead to a multitude of health issues, including muscle atrophy, bone density loss, and vision impairment. Various studies conducted on the astronauts have revealed that the body starts to adapt to the microgravity environment, but not always in favorable ways. For instance, in space, the heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, which can lead to cardiovascular deconditioning over time. These findings aren't just fascinating, they're vital. They raise important questions about the potential implications for future space travel, particularly for long-duration missions like those to Mars. Can humans withstand the physiological changes caused by years in space? Understanding the effects of microgravity on the human body is crucial for the future of human space exploration. Water is a precious resource in space, and the International Space Station has led to groundbreaking advancements in water purification systems. Imagine being hundreds of miles away from the nearest fresh water source. This is the reality for astronauts aboard the ISS. This harsh reality led to the development of advanced water purification systems that recycle every drop of moisture, even from the air we breathe and the sweat our bodies produce. These systems use complex processes like distillation, filtration, and sterilization to transform wastewater into drinkable water. But the impact of these systems reaches far beyond the confines of the space station. Today, these same technologies are being deployed on Earth, providing clean drinking water in areas where it's scarce. This is not just about quenching thirst, but also about combating waterborne diseases and improving overall public health. This is yet another example of how space research can have direct and significant benefits for people on Earth. The ISS has also provided invaluable insights into how space affects microorganisms. Up there, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, bacteria and other microorganisms behave quite differently. In fact, some experiments conducted aboard the ISS have shown that certain bacteria can become more virulent or harmful in space. Imagine, if you will, tiny, unseen life forms becoming stronger, more resilient, and potentially more dangerous, all due to the lack of gravity and the unique conditions of the space environment. This is not science fiction, but science fact, discovered through rigorous experiments in the microgravity lab aboard the International Space Station. The implications of these findings are vast. They can influence the design of future space missions, ensuring the safety of astronauts and the success of long-duration space travel. They also expand our understanding of life on Earth, showing us how adaptable and versatile life can be. The The study of microorganisms in space is opening new frontiers in both space exploration and biology. The ISS continues to be a beacon of scientific discovery and technological innovation. As we gaze into the future, it's clear that the findings from this extraordinary laboratory in the sky have the potential to revolutionize not just space research and technology, but also life as we know it here on Earth. Consider the implications of understanding bone and muscle loss in microgravity. The solutions we develop for astronauts could also benefit millions of people on Earth suffering from osteoporosis and muscle-wasting diseases. The advancements in water purification systems, born out of necessity in the confines of the ISS, could be a game-changer for providing clean water to remote and underserved communities worldwide. The discoveries made on the ISS are also paving the way for longer space missions. With our increased understanding of how the human body adapts to life in space, we're working towards the day when humans can embark on multi-year missions to Mars and beyond. And who knows? Maybe one day the colonization of other planets won't just be the stuff of science fiction, but a reality. Then there's the fascinating world of microorganisms. Studying how these tiny life forms behave and change in space could lead to significant advancements in medicine. Imagine developing new antibiotics or understanding more about how bacteria become resistant to them. This could be a vital tool in our ongoing battle against disease. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's evident that the International Space Station is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. So here's to the ISS, to the brave men and women who live and work there, and to the future discoveries that will continue to change our world and the cosmos beyond.